Oh, that camera's all messed up. Get it a little more balanced. Point it a little better. Selling Ball has closed the secondary video stream. Reception problems. Yeah, so for those of you who are following all of these streams, you might find more buffering issues occurring. Now, see, I can change my camera that I'm broadcasting just by clicking to a different one of these studios, because all these studios use a different camera. That's the profile. So that's the face, and I don't have my primary front facing camera because that one is my primary stream that I started this morning. It is showing my monitor 1. It's no longer showing my cam 1. So I don't have a tab up here that I can click on to show my cam 1. Now that last read chat, please. That was from, yeah. Okay, so I got to click through these to see which is which. And that was a Ken Stout. So best way to use the read chat, please, is !C and then type after that what you want to say to me. Now, I just realized that you do see my picture-in-picture. As I click through these different camera views, you still have my picture-in-picture in the bottom right corner of my camera 1. I was about to start another stream to use to be controlling that camera. So I'm seeing right now 4 streams running. Let's do a speed test. Let's see how the speed test is going. Last run was 538 down, 20.6 up. Is it actually resending the camera data for cam 1? And yeah, that has dropped down. Yeah, John Williams, !T is not going to work because that requires OBS. Now I'm about to launch OBS. We're going on. We're doing some overtime. We're doing more overtime because I want to try launching OBS and see what I can do. John Williams, your CPU cooler is doing a warning signal by flashing. No, it's not. My fans aren't even straining. I think you're trolling me with that comment. There's a chat from Ken. I tried that and you got upset. So I will, from now on, identify the stream I am saying read chat please from. I don't think you have any way of identifying it. There's no way for you to tell me which stream you're saying that on. Now, my broadcast right now has my picture-in-picture covering Ken's chat message that I just read. And the only way that I could bring that up above my picture-in-picture is to do this. So there you can see Ken's chat message. Now that read chat, please, came from where? This one. Sure, I do this from chat live stream called Back Camera, but I don't get to see that, Ken, until I find your message. I don't know that until I find your message. So I actually have to go to that stream before I can see where you're telling me which one you did that from. That's pointless. I know that's the back cam when I'm seeing your message. Now he's doing another one. I want to get on to trying to launch. Oh, geez, you trolls. You trolls. This is from profile. Yes, I see, Ken. You've got that figured out. Let it go. Oh, now that I've got this set so the medium view just gets above my picture-in-picture, that's the way I can show it to you. That was 935, and I can go over here and see that was 934. Then I can go here, and that one doesn't have a message. That's the overhead cam. But I can see the chat for the stream that I started this morning, there's a 935 where Ken says, so I have that solved for you. Well, I can show that over here. It's not trolls, it's dealing with children, no self-control. Yeah, but I kind of handed it to them, didn't I? Didn't I just dangle it in front of their eyes? And do you have to have a camera, or can you just stream your desktop or a specific app window? Well, we can test that. We can test that. The way for me to test that on the first stream that I started, Jim agrees that I tempted them. On the first stream that I started, I'm going to stop sharing monitor 1. That means I can't bounce back and forth between them. Okay, but I know how to get back to that pretty quickly. I can't do it with my Stream Deck buttons. Although I think I can configure my Stream Deck buttons to interact with Live Studio. Not certain about that. I don't think I'm going to try it, because my reason for wanting to see what I can do with this is to get more familiar with this tool. When you get really familiar with your tools, then you can come up with uses for them, or ab uses for them. Abby normal, anybody? I really enjoy figuring ways to use tools that they weren't intended or designed to use. So what I can do here is I'm going to choose, oh, you know what? Can I, when I start, no, I don't see a way to do this after I've started the stream. I don't see a way to choose my capture card after I've started the stream. How about if I edit? No, that doesn't let me change camera. So I have to start another stream. Yeah. Ooh, this is so dangerous. All right, so I'm going to share. I'm going to again give you my monitor 1. And I'm going to go start another stream. Now, I don't have to go to Live Windows Training. I can go to any YouTube and get this camera with the plus sign and go live. So this brings me up a new instance of the Live Studio. I have 4 live streams going now. I'm going to go to webcam and choose, put in the title, Baby Beast. Capture. This is a capture. This is not broadcasting from Baby Beast. It's a capture. I don't know why I'm deleting these. I think it inherits those from an old video. That'll be a reason to do that. So then if I go next, monetization on YouTube mid-rolls. Let's go aggressive on that one. See if that makes any difference that some of you can report on. Live reactions off. Anyone can chat. Kerry would have a members today, so I can't do any redirects for him anyway. This is going to be public. Ken Stout has 4 running. This will be number 5. I think he means 4 of my streams running that he can click between them. Now here, where I choose the camera, I can choose capture device. I believe Live Gamer Duo is my Baby Beast. I don't think I have it on 1. Well, maybe I'm wrong about that. Let's see. There it is. There's Baby Beast in the background. I haven't seen any way to choose cameras or capture devices after the stream is running. So that's not good. We're using the same microphone. Go live. Now, Baby Beast, you're seeing the screen of Baby Beast now, which is showing one of my streams. And it's trying to go live. It's working on it. It's trying. It's seriously trying. StudioYouTube.com is sharing your screen. And there's a picture-in-picture going on because Baby Beast is showing my current stream. If I put Baby Beast somewhere else, then you won't get that mirroring. Now, if I go over here to my channel, go to live, it should show there's 4. This one right here, Baby Beast Capture, is not showing as live yet. Yeah, I think it's struggling. I think it's having a hard time. And my picture-in-picture I'm seeing is jittery. Now let's go see what speed test is doing. I might need to shut down 1 or 2 of those other streams to try to accomplish this. Baby Beast does not have a webcam. So I'm going to see if I can start a live stream from Baby Beast. I think it's maybe the limit for, look at that, my upload is still pretty good. I'm still showing 17, 18 megabits per second upload available. All right, so I'm going to shut down. Let's see, there's something else I want to test. Oh, I haven't even launched OBS yet. I want to see how functional OBS is. Yeah, see, this one's just not working. So let's go shut down. Don't want to shut down the main one that I started. We'll shut this one down. There's no in-stream option here. That's curious. It doesn't have an in-stream button. Why? Okay, I guess this is going to be one of those 24-hour streams. If I can't end the stream, then it just has to go on, doesn't it? I want to shut down other streams to try to get this one to go. Seldom Ball is there. Welcome to Doug's Newest, he says. But that stream isn't actually running yet. So there I clicked on that. So that's the Baby Beast capture. There I got live mouse over there now. That's a Baby Beast capture. And even that struggles. Is it because I'm trying to take content from my capture card? Is that what my computer's having trouble with? So to answer that, I'll come down here to the taskbar for Big Beast. Got to get the mouse back from Baby Beast over to Big Beast. See, there's my mouse at the taskbar at the bottom. That taskbar at the bottom is Big Beast taskbar. This taskbar that's up a little bit is Baby Beast taskbar. And I think you are seeing me move the mouse around. Are you? Let's see, I'm checking now by changing Baby Beast to show the current stream. Yeah. But when I move my mouse up, yeah, you can see that. That does come over on the broadcast. So I want to come down to the taskbar, Task Manager, and see how is Big Beast struggling right now. CPU at 41%, memory 19%, disk activity is minimal, zeros, Ethernet showing sending under 10 megabits per second, receiving under 2 megabits per second. That's a cakewalk. I'm not seeing anything struggling here at all. The GPU, 31%. I don't see any of that is struggling. Maybe it's YouTube that's struggling because its ingest servers probably throttles how much I can send to them on my channel. I'm thinking that's it. Dobie Tech says you could probably do the stop sharing button at the bottom. Yes, I can do that. But what happens when I click the sharing button again, it does not give me the cameras. All it gives me to choose from is the monitors, the applications that are open, the browser tabs that are open. I can choose any of those. I can choose my capture card. It does not let me choose a different webcam. This video, all of these live streams were started from this webcam. And it seems to me that once you choose a particular webcam, you're starting from the webcam method of doing a live stream, that locks you in to that webcam. And when I'm choosing the webcam, I do get the choice of my capture cards. Now, if I go over, let's see, how can I do this? Okay, I'm going to abort this stream that's just not starting, and then go try to shut down 2 of the other streams. So here's the one that's trying to start. If I just close that tab, I don't know if that stops it. Stop sharing. Okay, let's try that stop sharing. No, that just stops sharing of monitor 1. That stops sharing on the original stream that I started this morning. That is not a control for this stream that's trying to start. So how about if I just close that? Changes you made may not be saved. Fine. And then let's come to this profile camera. Now this stop sharing here is not going to affect this profile stream. That's just going to stop sharing monitor 1 on the original stream that I started this morning. And the stuttering seems to be gone. Yeah, because I aborted that stream that wasn't working. So I want to shut down this stream. I'd like to shut it down gracefully. Oh, let's go to manage. That should do it. If I go to manage, will it go to manage? Won't go to manage. So how about if I go, oh, here I'm on studio. Here's managing. So if I go here to profile, this is the end stream. This is where end stream is at. Okay, so for all of you on the profile camera, goodbye. I can't do the Porky Pig because that's an OBS thing, and I haven't launched OBS yet. This is going to be a really overtime stream. Doug's having too much fun. Okay, here we go. Ending that stream. That one has 4 concurrent viewers. Do I need to see any of that chat? No. Ending that stream. Your stream will stop immediately. Wow, this is a way to show you the entire experience of running a live stream. Not with OBS.